Here I have XIAOMI Mi A1 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a power key. Let's hold down power, choose power off and wait until your device will be ready to use. And afterwards, let's find the special tray to your slots. The tray is located at the left edge of the device, right here. So let's open this tray by using some thumb tag or special eject tools. Here I have some thumb tag. Let's just push it right here, as simple as that, and you can remove the whole tray from your device. Here you can insert two cards, the Nano SIM and micro SD. So let's insert here the following cards. Let's start by using micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's place this card as simple as that. Then let's insert the Nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. Let's place this card in that position, and now you can insert the whole thing into your device. Let's push it to the end. Now you can turn on your device by holding the power button. Let's just make sure that both cards works on your device. So the XIAOMI is switching on. Wait a few seconds. Excellent. So if you have a SIM card with a pin protection, you have to enter your pin. Let me do it. Let's insert my pin, tap OK key, and let me unlock the screen. Find and select the apps icon and choose settings. Choose SIM cards. As you can see, the device is reading our SIM card, so it's a good start. Let's go back. Let's also scroll down, and under device tab let's choose storage, and the phone is using our portable storage, so it looks that both cards works just fine on my device. So you can go back and start using your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.